When you're raw and juice fasting, you want something sweet. So I'm going to make a 4-ingredient yummy sweet dessert out of these 2 ingredients: dark chocolate, avocado. I add a little berries and some strawberries and some grainless granola. And I'm going to show you right now how I make this yummy avocado mousse. So I use a very ripe avocado. You want to make sure that when you press your hand into the avocado, it pushes in a little bit. That means it's nice and ripe. If it's hard, that means it's not ripe enough. But if it has a little give to it, that means you're going to have a nice, soft avocado, and that's what you want for this. So go ahead and put a whole avocado into your little blender. This is just a magic bullet here. I'm going to use 1 whole avocado, and this is going to make 2 servings. Okay, so after you put your nice ripe avocado in, then you're going to put about 3 tablespoons of maple syrup in. You could use honey here, you could use sugar, you could use agave. I use maple syrup because I eat vegan. Then I put 2.5 tablespoons, that 1 scoop is 2.5 tablespoons of cacao powder. And cacao powder is great for curbing your appetite. It is good for flattening your belly. It's a good weight loss thing. The same with the avocado. They're great for your cholesterol, weight loss, flattening your tummy. And there you have your mousse. I also use 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. And if you want your mousse to be a little thicker, you can use a little less milk. And then I added some berries, which have antioxidants, flavonoids. And so what I have here is a cancer fighting, diabetes fighting, high blood pressure fighting snack here that is tasty. You could put away the yogurt if you want. You could put away the ice cream and have this yummy, yummy, yummy avocado mousse, all raw. So it's a yummy raw dessert that I like to fix for myself when I'm on a raw and juice fast, or sometimes when I just want a nice raw snack. So I definitely want you to try this. Know that the avocado is good, has great fiber, and it's just a yummy, yummy good thing to have.